Well, at least it's a potato. Look at that. Look at him. Look at him. His face is like, damn, he had more of those. They're freaking starving. Wait, oh, is she sticking it all in the pouch?
Yeah.
For later? Isn't that the most amazing thing? Okay. All right.
This on video.
You got it on video?
Yeah.
Guess y'all don't get out much, huh? Next time I'll bring the salsa. Okay, Michael. This one's almost done.
Just make them read.
Onion dip.
The bird's like, what about me?
I could totally have a squirrel as a pet. They're not the type of animals that will like OD, will they? Here comes the other one. Mike.
Bird came back.
There's one, Mike. Oh my gosh, Mike. Savannah would just totally be shit herself. They're totally just.
Yeah, because this guy over here is hiding.
I only have a couple more pieces. I only have 2 more and that's it. Here you go. But yeah, they're all mommies.
Wait, make this one like do the arms. Do the arms, wait. Go. You didn't.
I don't want them touching me too long. I don't know what they have disease-wise. And I'm out of chip.
Give me one.
Literally, that's all I've got left. Your fingers are so huge. Mike. The little hands grab onto you, and I swear to God, you want to just take them home. That's all I got, baby. That's all I got. Look, that's all I got.
Look, I'll lick it. I gotta lick the paper clean.
Cheese paper. Oh my God. Oh. Chips.
What's up, big guy? You right on my leg. Shit, they got 2 of them on me. Holy shit.